Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. My name is Serge, and in today's video we're going to be testing our car battery on this vehicle. Cold cranking amps, 825, 12 volt battery. So sometimes when stuff like doesn't work, it even catches me, a mechanic, off guard. Like, I'm thinking, what the heck is going on here? Like, this car was just starting the other day, and I literally just started up, like, seriously, like, not that long ago. It's showing 71. I mean, how ridiculous. It says poor. Why is it so low? I mean, I understand I really don't drive the car every day, but I started up, and technically, it ran a little bit, like, so that it could recharge. It never had issues starting. This is actually a brand new battery here, you know. So this can also be confusing you guys, saying like, well, this is a new battery, right? Let's recalculate again. And you're thinking something's a new battery, that means it's a new battery, but really, realistically, it's not. So it's showing 71 right now. I will be making an updated video to this video, showing you what it's really gonna have once I actually fix this, okay? So we're gonna unplug things right now and charge it. So guys, I got this battery right here. It was showing 11.5 volts. I installed it into the vehicle, started showing 7.5 volts. It does not want to start. Everything's connected good. This is a Mercedes battery that's just been sitting in my garage. The one in my BMW does not want to start. It's a good battery, but it's been sitting for a while. You might have noticed how I got all this stuff opened up right here. If you look at this bottle, that's how much fluid went into the cells. This is distilled. You could do that with your batteries. Of course, when you do something like that, do it at your own risk. But I'm talking to the DIYers, people that like to save money, like myself, be able to save stuff. This battery is quite old. I really don't even know what age this battery is, to be honest. Like, it could easily be 5 years old. I've been reviving it, you know, servicing it, basically, adding fluid. Every single cell had very low fluid, okay? We haven't charged it at all right now, okay? Like, I'm not gonna make these things too tight. I think you could mess up the plastics on these things. But basically, I wanted to make sure that this battery was kind of like good to go. It was sitting in my garage. It was like reading like 11.5 volts, and I'm thinking, okay, fine. I could use this to jump start a car. But anyways, I need to test the cold cranking amps ability of this battery and the voltage and stuff. Do it the proper way, do it with the battery tester, because that's exactly what I need right now. This is a battery analyzer, and in today's video, like, seriously, this is very important. I'm thinking, man, I'm glad I have this, because currently my multimeter is underway. The one that I had had a little problem. We need to fix it, but it doesn't matter. So, is the display visible? Yes, because last time I didn't see it. 12 volt battery is blinking, so we're gonna hit OK. So we need to put cold cranking amps. We need to look in the battery, or let's just put like 750. All right, 750. Doesn't matter. So now it's basically analyzing cold cranking amps. What does it really have? So if it's 700, what does it have? So right now it's saying 43. What is 43? It says poor. So when I'm trying to basically start my vehicle, there's not enough cold cranking amps. All right, so that is that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit a like if you liked it, and come back next time to see more videos like this.